Once you have accepted your offer of admission, you will be ready to take the following steps to register for classes. The first big decision you'll need to make is selecting your target degree or program. You might know exactly which degree you want, or you may still be deciding. Regardless of how certain you are, the First Year Planning Guide is designed to help you select your courses and plan your first year. Within this guide, each degree program is introduced with a dedicated page that explains which courses to take in first year. If you know exactly which degree you would like to pursue, for example, a science degree in microbiology, you will use the first year courses chart to choose your courses. Each chart highlights the first full year in the degree program. This is typically 30 credit hours of coursework, which is the maximum number of credit hours a student can take in a year. If you're still exploring your interests and are trying to decide between more than one degree program, for example, business and agribusiness, you will choose your courses by referring to the Tips for Choosing Courses section. The first tips will always identify the courses required for admission. This will help you to combine common course requirements between your programs of interest and still qualify for admission to these programs. You can also check out the Career Compass link on each page to help you map out your career pathway and see where you can go with your degree. This can be especially helpful if you are deciding between programs. Whether you choose to take a full 30 credit hour course load depends on what other priorities you have in your life right now. Students will sometimes choose to take 24 credit hours in their first year so they can pursue other academic activities and maintain the best grades possible. Remember, grades do count when applying to a program. After you've decided which courses you will take in the fall and winter terms, you'll need to create a timetable.